Welcome to Math 126, Pre-Calculus 1, Section 8041, Online Syllabus Review. So this is the open enrollment section, I think we call it that, and it allows people to enroll as late as the 9th week. And truly on this, the due date for all the material is the last day of the semester. And this gives students the ultimate freedom and responsibility. So I really enjoy this class and the opportunities it gives to students to be flexible with other events in life that might occur. So I do, want to see everyone succeed, but I like the whole concept of this. Anyway, so I'm Jeff Downs. I'm Dr. Downs. Here's my email address, my office number, my office phone number. I'll be doing office hours on Mondays and Wednesdays from 10 to 11. And then from 12:20 to 12:50 in Cedar 303 and online. And then on Tuesday, I'll just do online only from 10 to noon, Prerequisites, Math 96 or 3 units of high school mathematics at the level of algebra and above. So course description, provide a third course in algebra. Topics include polynomial, rational, radical equations, absolute value, quadratic inequalities, relations and their functions, linear, quadratic, polynomial, exponential, logarithmic functions, or graphs, applications, and systems of equations. Course objectives. Upon completion of this course, successful students should be able to do the following: solve polynomial, radical, and rational equations, solve absolute value and quadratic inequalities, identify functions and find inverse functions, graph, find slopes and equations of linear functions and then use them in models, sketch the graphs of basic functions and transformations of them, graph polynomial, exponential, and logarithmic functions, use them in models, and solve systems of equations and inequalities, not necessarily linear. So it's a 3-credit course. Our transferability within Nevada. This course is designed to apply towards a W&C degree and or transfer to other schools within the Nevada system of higher education, depending on the degree chosen. Other courses completed, it may transfer to colleges and universities outside Nevada. For information about how this course can transfer and apply to your program of study, please contact a counselor. Linkage to college mission, apply mathematical, analytical problem solving. They want a dash on that? They do. There, now it's happy. Skills through the use of polynomial, exponential, logarithmic functions, the application of systems of equations, the application of matrices, provide instruction that contributes to a student's ability to think critically and solve problems, to reason mathematically and apply computational skills. So we'll be using the textbook Pre-Calculus by J. Abramson, Lumen Pre-Calculus. There's the digital access code. This is embedded in Canvas, and so you can purchase the access directly from Lumen through Canvas, and you can get a trial access as well, so you can start day 1 with the material. Okay. Supplies. Students should have access to the textbook and a scientific or graphing calculator. I prefer the TI-84, so I bring it to my class. I have one sitting right next to me now. However, there are several options available, including free online calculators and calculators in Lumen, like Desmos and other things. I don't know why this is over here like that. There we go. Grading scale from 126, A, B, C, D, F is standard. Our grade breakdown quizzes. There'll be 1 quiz per chapter, so it's 60% of the grade, and then homework. Each section has an assignment, and the homework is 40% of the grade. Course videos, please watch all the videos in the course and take notes on them. These are arranged by chapter under the modules tab. I spent a lot of time putting those together, and I'm hoping that it'll be meaningful for you, but they're there to help you learn because this is an online course. We don't have lecture times. This is asynchronous. So put those there. If you watch them, you're still stuck, come reach out to me. We can try to work on something. Homework. All homework assignments are on the Lumen website. Homework is completed through the practice activities. But you can do it through Canvas too. It's embedded in Canvas. You may access assignments tab under the modules or course summary below the syllabus here on Canvas. So you can also go right into the modules. So I think I just said that, under the modules. Quizzes. Each module ends with a quiz. Quizzes can be found in the Assignments tab. the modules, or the course summary. Grading of coursework assignments completed in Lumen OHM are automatically graded by that program, and the final grades recorded by the program are transferred to the Canvas gradebook. The official grade record for the course is in Canvas, not in Lumen, because of the grade weighting, because I weight the exams at 60% and the homework's at 40%. If you feel a problem was misgraded, please let me know so I can review the issue. Course Base has an open enrollment course. It is important to establish and follow a schedule for the course. So I'd like you all to send me your schedule, what you plan to do over the semester. It does not have to be the whole 15 plus weeks. It could be, 16 weeks if you count finals. It could be you want to get it done in 3 weeks or 5 weeks or something. So others may choose, I guess I'm already saying that in the written part. Well, the ultimate due date for the class is the last day of the semester, as I said at the start of the video. Due dates will be set for assignments as an encouragement to students to not get behind. And then I give you as many late passes as you need. So I think everyone has 100 late passes, and I keep adding to that as you need them. So, I suggest a certain pace, and it kind of reminds you to get onto it, but your ultimate due date is the last day of the course, and you can use those late passes. Again, if you need more, happy to give you more. There's no problem there. But it's all about trying to help you see, oh yeah, I got to get that done. Extra credit, there's no opportunity for extra credit, and I probably should just delete that. That's not even a thing. Due dates are at the end of the semester, so you don't really have to worry about making up missed work. Electronic devices, you'll need to use a laptop, computer, or handheld device with internet access to access the assignments. I honestly do not know how people would do this on a phone. I don't even like doing this type of work on an iPad. I like to do it on a laptop or a desktop. Attendance requirements. During the first week of class, you must complete the syllabus quiz and the OHM tutorial. If these are not completed, risk losing federal financial aid. Complete the syllabus quiz by Wednesday, August, not 30th. That's the 27th now. Yeah. Okay. Ethics statement. No cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating, attempting to cheat, or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with a failing grade. Grade appeals can be made to Dr. Cecilia Gregg, there's her email address. She is the Director of Liberal Arts and Sciences. Disability statement. I'll let you read the statement there. So if you need support or services, this is how you can do it. You can click on there. You can call them, email. They can help you with getting the accommodations you need. But I can't just give accommodations without getting something through them, because then it looks like there's favoritism or someone gets something more than someone else. Instruction specific issues. Dr. Dana Ryan, the Vice President of Academic and Student Affairs. Here's her phone number and email address. Statement for syllabi regarding the COVID-19 really doesn't matter because it's an online class, and I probably should delete that. I just don't know when I can delete it because we had to put in our syllabi for so long. Here are important dates. Now, I would not base my academic future that these are accurate. They think they're accurate. I checked them out, but I would verify anything that might be academically changing, life-changing for you with the calendar, the WC calendar. But it kind of gives you an idea, oh yeah, if something has to happen. I don't want anyone to drop. I want everyone to go through the class and to finish the class. I would love to have 100% passing. That'd be a great semester for me. So. And if there's a way I can help you get there, let me know. Here is a proposed schedule for if you do the full semester option. So, just kind of everything's paced out in a pretty regular, steady way. So this is what I suggest you do. You don't have to follow that. You have that freedom and that responsibility to do what you want to do. I would not suggest waiting until the last couple of weeks to get it done, because it's hard to, if you have a lot of things to do at that time, it's hard to focus and people just can give up. I don't want that. And here are the sections to be covered. And each section has a homework assignment, and each module has a quiz to complete. And that's it. So I look forward to getting to know all of you and seeing you online. Good luck with everything, and let me know if you have questions. Thanks. Bye.